Hi Shivita, it's wonderful having you at Influence Exchange Conference and Award Series. How was your experience here?
Thank you so much. Very grateful for you guys to call me here. The experience so far has been pretty nice. I've met a couple of people who have been doing really great in the industry. So the networking has been great. Kudos to that. Also, I met a lot of influencers who are currently working with us as well, and they were here. And it was great, having a conversation one on one and discussing with those guys what are the things that they look forward to when it comes to brands and what all collaterals that they look forward to when they see brands in real. They see the real people behind the brands. So I think that this platform has given that space to us. So yeah, great work, guys. Yeah.
So tell me what attracted you to a career in marketing and what keeps you passionate about it?
What attracted me was that marketing is very dynamic. So it changes a lot, right? It evolves a lot. And you have different challenges every day. Me being there from a startup system, so Numi is a fashion brand, Gen Z brand for girls. It's just been 2 years of business. I'm also the founding member, the first employee of Numi. So it has been a risk taking journey, I would say, in terms of my career. But now I can say that I'm not just a marketer, but I am an overall generalist person who's done anything and everything from packing the orders to seeing the customers in real to having conversations with them. I think that is where the passion parts plays the role, that you become a holistic brand marketer and not just into one niche.
So what are the key takeaways you hope the audience will gain from your session?
I feel one is that being authentic as a brand. That's very important. That has worked for us. A couple of more case studies where which we have learned from is where the brand was built purely on authenticity and the trust of the consumers is something that is again a very important role of authenticity. So I think the authentication, the real peer-to-peer connection, engaging the audience, of course. I think these three, 4 pointers is something that I think that are the key takeaways.
So tell me what are the most significant trends you see emerging in ad tech, martech and influencer marketing right now in India?
So I think AI is something that is coming along. It has started. We can see that in photography for now. We can see that into graphic designing. But I feel that in the near future, the AI towards influencer marketing is going to be the next point of attraction in terms of ad tech.
So what advice would you give to aspiring professional looking to make an impact in this industry?
I would say just be passionate about what you do. Honestly, marketing is not something that you can learn through any book. That is what I would say. It happens with the course of time. It happens when you meet a lot of different individuals who have done some great work into the industry. You learn day to day from your consumers. So be very open to consumer insights. A person who has all ears for the consumer becomes the king of marketing. So I feel yeah, these 2 pointers are important.
Last but not least, tell me how was your experience being in our event in India for the first time? Is this your first event?
No, not this is not my first event, but yes, for this particular the influence exchange, it's my first event. It has been great so far, as I mentioned, and a lot of good people that I met over here, and I'm hoping to make connections for a longer period of time with you guys.
So it was wonderful to have you, and I hope you enjoy your event. And we look forward to have you for the next year as well.